We all know sustainability is a key issue for events and event organisers, and we're here at IT&CM China to talk to Mr. Gu Xuebin of Infosalons about how technology is really driving that issue over here. Mr. Gu, how important really is it for China to grasp the concept of sustainability this early in its development of its mice industry?
Okay, I think you should look into this question from two different perspectives. The mice concept is new to the whole world. Of course, it's also new for China. But the component of the mice is not new here. Someone, in Hangzhou, China, declared they have more than 100 years ago, they have a trade show, like fair. So the components are not new. But the industry, if you look at it from the other perspective, the industry are taking this sustainable development very seriously because there's under the pressure of development of the country, development of the industry. So the people, they started to take this into their planning, into their daily management. So from my point of view, I see, especially during the past 5 years, I personally experienced the trend. I saw people are taking this more and more seriously.
This is a crucial issue in Europe. Do you think the issue is as big in China, and is this something that the industry is taking seriously?
People have been talking about green and the green concept, green this and green that for a long time. But whenever they hear, oh, green will cost me more, even they don't say this publicly, but in the end the answer will be no. So what we have found out is green cannot be an expensive choice, especially for business. Government can do something else to push it, but for each individual business, they have to be benefit from adapting the concept. Can I give you one example? What I'm holding is a traditional badge with a paper badge in it, and outside is a PVC holder. So this one has been using for industry for quite many years. And what we have found out, 3 years ago we found out, the material of PP, it's fully recyclable, and then you can have the same effect when you are printing things on it. So 3 years ago, we started to push this to the market. We say, this is greener, this is green, this will make sure your show looks better. But started from last year, we found out the material for this price went down. And this one, going up. So I don't know what happened, but currently if it's more than 10,000, a cost of a badge of a PP badge, green badge, compared to a paper with a PVC holder, this one is actually 20% lower at least, depends on the volume. We think we have about at least 8 to 9 events who is using this. So it's saving the clients some money. It's definitely helping them with the sustainable development.
And you mentioned technology there. I mean, how is technology really in all its forms helping to drive sustainability here?
Adapting technology like, e-paper, on the screen you can see we have an e-guide. It's like an application for a conference. Those will help the industry a lot by saving cost, saving money, and actually to increase a lot of efficiency. I personally saw an exhibitor printed 80,000 product catalog and distributing them in China. It costs them more money than building the stand.
And what initiatives have you got in place over here to really help people understand the need for sustainability?
I do a lot of speech. I tell people about all kinds of stories to share information between different parties. So to make sure to help them to be aware of things are moving, are developing, but also from a service provider's point of view. We try to help our client to adapt to new technologies by lowering their cost. So the reason why exhibitors has a booth, they want the information to be out there. I'm exhibiting, I'm still here, we're developing. People are giving a lot of paper printout now. Please carry it, even you reread it and throw it into the trash bin. But I personally believe technology will be the main driving force to change this. As long as we ensure the transfer of information don't get reduced, maybe it will get enhanced. So when the goal of our whole industry still got kept, and got maintained, and got developed, the way we can name or we can say how do we maintain a sustainable development, I don't see any problem there.
Mr. Gu, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.